Hey, what is going on, guys? I want to do a little kind of unboxing video here of this Haiku fan. I've been looking for a new smart ceiling fan for my house, and this is the one I decided to go with. There's not a whole lot of videos on these. I mean, there's a few, but they're not very good, and they've been out a couple of years now. And, well, I just went on ahead and pulled the plug and bought one. They are quite expensive. They're from a company called Big Ass Fans. They make basically big ass fans for, warehouses, industrial companies, places of that nature. And I think they paired up with this company here, Haiku, I believe it's called. I'm not sure. But anyways, they have several different models. This is the H series is the one I got. It's the coco bamboo, so it's like a dark bamboo color. They have tons of features. They're extremely expensive, like I said. I paid $1,200 for this. That's right, I said $1,200 for a ceiling fan. Yes, I know, but you only live once, and I had the money, so, if it does what it's supposed to do, then I'm going to be a happy customer. They're extremely quiet. The only thing you will hear is the noise. The only thing you will actually hear is the airflow, because the motor's really quiet. It has what they call Sense Me technology, which is built into these newer model fans, which is one I've got, because the older ones they used to have had like a wall light switch outlet kind of deal you place there. Well, apparently this one's built right into the fan, so basically what that does is if you walk into the room, it'll automatically turn your fan on, it'll turn the lights on the fan. It'll sync up with my thermostat so it knows what to do. If it's too hot, it'll turn the fan on. If it's too cool, it'll turn the fan off. I have the Ecobee 4 thermostat, so this should sync up with that. So, enough rambling. Let's get into this. And here, as you open it up, as you can see, you can also, it comes with a remote control. You can use your phone. It works with Alexa. So I'm pretty excited. And when you buy these, they don't just have them sitting in a shelf or on a warehouse. They actually build them as you order them. So it took me 3 weeks to get this, because like I said, you order it, they build it, and then you ship it out, and they ship it out. It also works with Nest, but I have an Ecobee, and it works with Ecobee. As you can see, it's got 45 plus awards, 42 patents, 28 patents pending, and one awesome fan. This is a little instruction booklet, I guess. The remote. Just a bunch of documentation. I don't want to go through that right now. That just simply moves out. I want to try to find... Here's the LED kit, as you can see, for the H series. Yeah, I was right, H series. Now, if you can get these without the LEDs, and they do look better without them. But the LEDs are I think $100 is what they run to add those on. So I mean, you can get one of these for maybe $1,100. They also have them in different colors, different sizes. This is a 52 inch, I believe. Yeah, I believe I got the 52 inch. I don't know what we got going on in here. Installation. They're supposed to be pretty easy to install. And you can get these, like a mount that goes over it. You can get these different colored. I went with black. They give you all the tools you need, mounting stuff. Your installation guide. So all this stuff here would be installation stuff. You don't really care about that. This here is the light. Hold up right quick. Let me go get a knife. Okay, I'm back. So let's take a quick gander at the LEDs. Maybe. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So here's cover. And okay, there's the actual LEDs, and apparently these can change to like 16 different colors of brightness and all that jazz. There's a cover that goes over them, so you obviously won't see those LEDs. But that's what that looks like. Like I said, you can get those in different colors. I believe black and white, maybe some others. I'm not quite sure. So let's open these here. Are the Airfoils. They're not, my son, they're not called blades. They actually call these Airfoils. Okay, and here's one. And there's only 3 of them on a fan. I want to pull this out, try to get an accurate color. Okay, so that's what color they are. Focus up. There we go. Like I said, this is the coco bamboo. You can get them in like a white color. Not white, but like a walnut looking color, I guess. So there's the big ass fan logo. So pretty impressed with that. Let's see if I can't set that down over there. And this here should be the motor. That box there, there's nothing in that. Oh, shit. Poke myself. So this here is the motor. I'm not going to pull it out, but I will do another video once I get it all put together and installed, and I'll show you what it's replacing. So that is the unboxing of the Haiku H series smart fan. As always, guys, you can leave a like if you did. You can always subscribe if you want. And I hope to see you on the next one. Peace.